Homestead protections. Hello, I'm Daniel Van Slyke, an attorney licensed to practice law in Texas and California. In this presentation, I briefly clarify a topic I discuss with clients concerned about asset protection, namely homestead protections. Let's start by distinguishing two legal concepts. First is the homeowner's exemption, which is a break on property taxes for the homeowner's principal residence or homestead. Second is the homestead protection, which protects some equity in one's primary residence or homestead from creditor claims, including claims in bankruptcy. These differ dramatically both in terminology and in protection from state to state. First, let's consider the property tax saving. The California Constitution provides a $7,000 reduction in the taxable value for a qualifying owner-occupied home. Texas provides a $40,000 reduction in the taxable value of one's principal residence for determining school taxes. Homeowners 65 or older or disabled in Texas receive an additional $10,000 reduction in their home's taxable values. Again, this is a reduction in the taxable value for calculating property taxes on your home. Homestead protections, on the other hand, protect a certain amount of equity in your home from the claims of many creditors. The long-standing history of protecting homestead rights in Texas started before Texas joined the United States. Texas law protects 100% of a home's equity from many creditor claims, regardless of the value of the home. The only other state that protects 100% of a home's value from creditor claims is Florida. The homestead protection in California dramatically changed in 2021 when it was increased to the greater of $600,000 or the median countywide sales price of single-family homes in the previous year. This amount is adjusted for inflation each year. In 2023, it is $678,000 and change. Some states offer less protection than California. Missouri, the third state in which I'm licensed to practice law, protects only $15,000 of a home's equity. In California, while some homestead protection is automatic, additional protections are not. The automatic homestead protection protects the amount exempted from a forced sale of the home. That is, many creditors cannot collect by forcing a foreclosure sale. Anyone who has claimed a property as their home for property tax purposes receives this automatic protection. The declared homestead, on the other hand, protects the amount exempted when the homeowner sells the home. It gives the homeowner 6 months to reinvest the money in a new home. I often recommend to my clients concerned about asset protection that they file a homestead declaration. In Texas, a homeowner need not make a formal designation of homestead until a creditor makes a claim. Once a claim is made, it may be necessary to record a formal written designation of homestead in the real property records to defend against a judgment collection on that claim. There are some exceptions to homestead protections that go across state lines. First and foremost, a mortgage or loan to refinance your home is enforceable against your home. Second, pay your taxes. Some taxing agencies, including the IRS, can place enforceable liens against your home for unpaid taxes. Third, pay your contractors and laborers. If you enter a contract for repairs or improvements, the contractor or laborer may place an enforceable lien on your home if you don't pay it. This is often called a mechanic's lien. Finally, even in Texas, the homestead protection will not help you against claims for unpaid alimony and child support. Homestead protections can be lost, for example, by signing a loan that is secured by your home or by placing your home in an LLC. If you have moved from California to Texas, like some of our clients, then you can lose the homestead protection by failing to update your trust. To qualify for homestead protections in Texas, a trust must meet certain requirements. Contact an expert to update your estate plan if you move from one state to another. I hope you found this presentation informative. You can find similar content on my YouTube site and at iplanlaw.com.